Evidence-based health benefits of cinnamon. Contains powerful medicinal properties. Loaded with antioxidants. May have anti-inflammatory properties. Could protect against heart disease. Could improve sensitivity to insulin. Helps lower blood sugar levels. May have beneficial effects on neurodegenerative diseases. Saffron is a powerful spice high in antioxidants. It has been linked to health benefits, such as improved mood and enhanced weight loss. Best of all, it's generally safe for most people and easy to add to your diet. Ingredients: cinnamon, saffron,